This is levc, near side rear passenger door. The lever, the opening, the one which opens, it's snapped off. And how do you replace this? You need a drill with a hexagon star key. Right, next thing is that you have if you look right in there, you have one screw which is just here. You undo it, take the screw out, and you pull this complete unit out. Complete unit out, and we have to take this wire which is attached. Very simple. Okay, the next step is to take this clip out. You press it here and you take it out. Okay, the next thing is to pull it out. You will get a wire, the whole unit, and what you need to do, you get yourself a nose pliers, and you need to, whereas it is a broken unit, so what you need to do is hold it as you can, and hold the wire from here, and that will loosen it. And then you can take out, if I can just manage here, you take that out, the locking mechanism which is holding hold on, okay, and then you just get a little screw to give a push to take sorry, finding it a bit difficult. Not difficult. Okay, that's out. Yeah, make sure you take your locking mechanism switch off for the new one, which is this one here, and you need to replace. Quite simple. It should just slide in. Sure, it's on the right. Quite simple. You just line it and you push it in, and that's ready. That's your unlock button. All you need is a very good strong, I'm using nose pliers, and you shove it in there and try and force it out. Now all you need to do is, first of all, you need to put that in there like so, and you pull and you push it in. Give a little nip tight. Okay, you need a good grip, something like that, or anything that can hold tight, and you need to press it in like that. Can you see? Yeah, once you pressed it in, and that should look like that from the back in the front. Okay, so as you can see, all done and it's ready to get back in. Okay, before you push it in its place, you need to put that unlock lock button on, right, and watch the wires, don't clip anything, and you need to push that in its place, hopefully. 1 second. So you position it, and all you need to do is just push in. Okay, and okay, the final operation is get yourself the screw line, get yourself the screw and line it up. Sorry. Okay, now the final part is to get in there, tie up the screw, make sure you don't over tighten it, and that's it. That's all done perfectly. The actual unit price is $35.28. $35.28, and I think it cost around about 75 pound, including VAT or plus VAT, to get it fitted. So all you need is a screwdriver and a nose pliers, and it takes about 20 minutes, job done.